Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Today, we're diving into the incredible health benefits of one of my favorite fruits, pineapple. This tropical treat isn't just delicious, it's packed with vitamins, minerals, and enzymes that can seriously boost your health. We're talking about everything from a stronger immune system to glowing skin, improved digestion, and even potential cancer-fighting properties. That's right, this juicy fruit is a powerhouse of goodness. So whether you enjoy it fresh, grilled in smoothies, or as a pizza topping, don't judge me. Get ready to discover 10 surprising benefits of pineapple that you need to know. First up, let's talk about that immune system. Pineapple is loaded with vitamin C, a key player in keeping your body's defenses strong. We're talking about the nutrient that helps your body produce those awesome white blood cells that fight off infections. So adding pineapple to your diet is like giving your immune system a high five. It's a delicious way to potentially dodge those pesky colds and stay healthy year-round. Next, let's break down why pineapple is a digestion dynamo. It's all about two things, fiber and bromelain. Fiber, as we know, is like a scrub brush for your digestive system, keeping things moving and grooving. And bromelain? That's a powerful enzyme found in pineapple that helps break down those protein chains in your food. The result? Smoother digestion, less bloating, and a happier gut. Want that healthy glow? Pineapple's got your back. Remember that vitamin C we talked about? It's not just good for your immune system, it's also crucial for collagen production. Collagen is what keeps your skin looking firm, elastic, and youthful. Plus, pineapple is packed with antioxidants that fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage your skin cells. So, eat your pineapple for a radiant complexion. Inflammation is a natural process, but chronic inflammation can be a real drag on your health. That's where pineapple swoops in with its secret weapon, bromelain. This enzyme acts as a natural anti-inflammatory, helping to soothe your body from the inside out. We're talking about potential relief from arthritis pain, reduced swelling after injuries, and even some relief from sinus pressure. Pineapple is like a natural soother for your body. Now, I'm not saying pineapple is a cure-all, but there's promising research about its potential role in cancer prevention. Remember those antioxidants we talked about? They're like little warriors fighting off free radicals, which can damage cells and potentially lead to cancer. And bromelain, our superstar enzyme, has shown some early promise in studies for its ability to inhibit the growth of certain cancer cells. While more research is needed, it's exciting to see the potential of this amazing fruit. Strong bones are crucial for a healthy life, and pineapple can lend a helping hand. This tropical fruit contains manganese, a mineral that's essential for maintaining bone density and building new bone tissue. So, if you're looking to keep your bones strong and healthy as you age, adding pineapple to your diet is a delicious way to support your skeletal system. Chapter 7. Weight Loss. Wonder. Trying to manage your weight? Pineapple can be your new best friend. It's naturally low in calories but high in fiber, which means it can help you feel fuller for longer, preventing those pesky cravings. And remember bromelain? It not only helps with digestion but also supports a healthy metabolism, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. A healthy heart is essential for a long and vibrant life, and pineapple is here to support your ticker. It's a good source of potassium, a mineral that helps regulate blood pressure. Plus, the fiber and antioxidants in pineapple work together to reduce inflammation in blood vessels and keep those cholesterol levels in check. So eat your pineapple for a happy and healthy heart. For all you fitness enthusiasts out there, pineapple can be your new workout buddy. Whether you're hitting the gym or training for a marathon, pineapple can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery. That's because bromelain, our star enzyme, helps reduce inflammation and repair those tiny muscle tears that happen during exercise. So, next time you're feeling sore, reach for some pineapple. Dealing with a stuffy nose or sinus congestion? Pineapple to the rescue. Bromelain, our trusty enzyme, has the incredible ability to thin mucus and help clear those airways. That's why pineapple is often used as a natural remedy for sinusitis and other respiratory issues. So next time you're feeling congested, try adding some pineapple to your diet. Pineapple is truly amazing. From boosting your immune system to supporting your heart, skin, and even your workouts, this tropical fruit is a powerhouse of health benefits. Are you interested in making it a regular part of your healthy diet? Let me know if you'd like to explore more. Remember, a healthy lifestyle is all about balance and enjoying delicious foods that nourish your body. So go ahead, grab a slice of pineapple and experience the amazing benefits for yourself. And as always, stay happy and healthy.